It is Shane from Global Market Trader. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I thought I'd take you through a quick run through on the 27th of August 2010. This is looking at our DAX Renko Hybrid system. We come into the session at 8 o'clock and we've got a potential buy set up, so it's a reversal buy. The market's showing that the fatigue index is ready for a buy, so that's saying that the previous push down back here in the US session has created an overbought environment in the market. So on the DAX open, that's what we're looking for, a potential buy setup, and we've got also a level of support there, so it's giving us that buy entry at, and we'll just mark that on the system, the buy entry is there at 5891, so that's the buy. Now what we're looking for, we've got three targets that we can go for, so depending on how you trade this system will depend on what your trading style is, I should say, will depend on how you trade the system. Now for each of the markets that we will be running this system on, so gold, gas, crude, each of those markets will have a different combination strategy. So for this particular market, the DAX, its most profitable targets are 15, 20 and the trail. So if you're looking to have higher probability setups and take 15 points out of the market regularly, that's your strategy. Then 20 points is your target, and if you're happy with a lower strike rate, so under 60% but a much bigger profit potential, then your trailing strategy is the one. So here's our entry there at 5890, and we actually get knocked out of this market at just there. There's our trailing stop, takes us out there, and that's at 5899, so 5899, or it's actually out there at 5900. So just a 10-point profit on the trail there on that particular setup. You would have collected the 15 and 20 points, obviously the market moving enough to hit those two targets. So depending in this European session what your strategy or goal is, you would have definitely got your initial profit in the market. Now the second setup here is the sell. Now it's what we call an optional sell off resistance, and we've got resistance here. That's what that red dot indicates, that we've got a possible sell resistance. There's our setup, and that's at 5900. So we would work that entry at 5899 just to get below the swing low, and that particular trade sets up and moves. Let's have a look there. It actually moves around about 17 points. So we would have made the 15 points profit on the profit target 1, the profit target 2 or strategy 2 going for 20 points would strategy 1 plus 30 points, profit 2 is 22 points, and the trailing strategy delivered coming in third there at plus 12. So we'll keep tracking this on a daily basis with the two sessions, European and US, and I'll also break down the power of quitting strategy as well. So there'll be a number of things that we go through, so I'll be doing an update every day, and we'll be just taking you through each of the setups, what we're looking for. We don't trade the lunchtime, that's what we call the dead zone, so that's definitely not part of our trading strategy, and I'll take you on the US session on the next video update. Thank you for your time, everybody, and if you want more information about the Renko system, please send us an email, shane@globalmarkettrader.com, or otherwise we'll catch you on the next update. Cheers.